Welcome back for another low impact 10-minute movement session. We're going to stretch and breathe today. I got a little excited just by looking at this tree as I was coming by. When I look at this, all I can think of is when I was a kid and looking at that tree, be like, oh yeah, let's go climbing. Let's be more childlike today. Move our bodies just so that we can feel more alive. And we're going to continue to focus on unconditional happiness, putting no conditions on our happiness as we just start with a very simple twist. Oh, I am going to go gloves on. It's still a little chilly. It might be May, but in Finland, we're not for sure about that. Let's just gently stretch the body. Breathe. Unconditional happiness. The day I started to understand this quote by an incredible Buddhist monk named Thich Nhat Hanh, and he says, there is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. Let's just stretch it out nice and easy today. This could be a morning wake up, an evening cool down. We're just moving the body, gently connecting to the breath. You're going to choose happiness no matter what, because that is the way. We decide, we get to control whether we're going to go through our day with joy and happiness, or if we're going to let the situations, circumstances that are out of our control dictate. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. How about that? Ooh. Just stretch with me today. Let's bring all our presence, everything into every move. Connect movement and breath together. Oh, and just open it up. Open your chest up as much as you can. Oh, this feels so good for me. The muscles in my upper back are so tight right now. They're overcompensating as I recover from my neck surgery. Everything is good. It feels like that good healing pain, I must say, not like anything is wrong. It's just everything is working a little extra to protect the injured area. Things are getting better. Oh, let's open up as much as you can. Move around your space a little bit. Let's just move dynamically. Really breathe. Maybe you can take these workouts outdoors. I could start filming them. Ooh, in portrait, if that would be better. Let me know if you're doing them more on your phone. Rather than filming in landscape, do them in portrait. So you can just put your phone down. Might be easier. I don't know. Let me know. Just move and breathe. Open up your lungs. Yes. And just that, as I do that, I'm going to continue with the same move, but I'm going to come up on to my tippy toes. Ooh. Build some balance, core stability as we build incredible mobility. It's all about getting through our day. It doesn't sound right, getting through our day. It's almost like that's a chore. Having a day that we move with ease and strength so that each day is just incredible. What did I hear in some stupid show yesterday? But what a great line. You never know what you can get from certain art forms. It's a great day for a great day. How about that? Yes, it is. It's a great day for a great day. We get to decide. Happiness is the way. Get way up on those tippy toes. Open up the chest. Oh, yeah. Brilliant. Okay. Oh, I'm going to shake that out a bit. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to open it up a bit here. Side lunge. Just find a nice flow. I loved yoga. I love yoga. I did it for a long time and I moved away from it. In some ways, I want to incorporate more cardio movement as opposed to just the postures. So bringing great elements of yoga into our movements, but we are connecting the mind and the body, real union. So we develop our own system here, just to be as present as we possibly can in each movement. We get a little more flexible, a little stronger, and a lot happier because we choose happiness. If you can sink down a little bit deeper, you do it. Oh yeah. Maybe you come down and hold it for a moment. Back over. Hold it for a moment. Hey now. I'm in another exceptional park here in Helsinki. There, about half of the city, literally, it's 48% or something like that, is made up of forests and parks. It's really remarkable. It's such a beautiful place. Ability to connect to nature. Back to basics. Oh, just get outside. What did Grandma used to say? Go outside and play with your friends. Come back when the street lights come on. Who else was told that as a kid? You got to be home. Once the street lights come on, then you come home. Let me know. Oh, okay, a couple more. Brilliant. Last one. Yes. Oh, I'm going to get the heart rate up just a bit. I want to step, arms up. Great for mobility in the upper back. My range of motion is pretty limited still, although I feel like my arms are going up a little bit higher. So all this is about, all these daily sessions, just making small improvements every day. And what does that look like for us? A member of our community commented on going for a walk with their grandson through the forest and how much easier it felt after just doing these simple routines for the last several weeks. Just that. When we move with purpose, focus on functional fitness, things that are going to make us just a little stronger, a little bit more mobile. Those things we love to do become that much more enjoyable, and then happiness really is the way. Oh, endorphins, yes. Or maybe I just get a chuckle out of myself. Not take ourselves too seriously. Ooh, that's one I've definitely got better at recently. Oh yeah. Just take myself so seriously. Come on now. Let's just enjoy the ride. You don't have all the answers. That's another one I'm good at. Realizing how little I do know. Brilliant. One more. Okay. Whew. Depending on where you're at, if you're in the morning, maybe you want to pick up the pace here. You really want to get the blood flowing, get energized for the day. But if maybe you're cooling it off and you're going to go more slowly. For me, even though it's morning and I want to get the mood elevated, although I think I've already accomplished that, I'm going nice and slow because that's just where I'm at in my journey right now. Oh, move more to feel better. Yeah, that's a good tagline. Let's see how many people get to this far in the workout. Move more to feel better. There's a comment. Yes, I do like job done. It's great to share the progress. Oh, stretch it out. Oh, yes. Get an extra little twist in there. Or maybe you're going real fast. Good. Go fast. Faster. Come on. Pick up the pace. You got this. Oh. And 3. 2. Bring incredible presence to this last one. On. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Let's just slow march to finish off today. Oh, thank you for showing up, to continue to show up for yourself. It matters day in and day out. We just build this amazing consistency and a love for movement. I really do. Well, movement is the foundation of my health. And when I want to have happiness be the way, I know when I move first thing, find ways to move my body in natural ways, I find happiness far more readily. Just nice and easy. Let's just bring all of our presence into this little moving meditation. Focus on your breath. Connect to it. Hear the birds. Gratitude for movement. That's it today. We did it. We keep doing it. Hallelujah. Life is good. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. Keep showing up. I'll see you tomorrow. Yes.